Namaste. Liquid body and the importance of belly breathing. Why do I say liquid body? See, our body is 70% water. If the body is 70% water, one important characteristic in water is that it needs to flow. So if the body is 70% water, that means there is water inside. It's not only as if it's in the skin or the bones, it's there, as some kind of a fluid. It needs to flow. Now, people usually think of the body in terms of a body with many different organs and so on, which is fine. But underlying all of this or servicing all of this are different systems. To name a few, we have, for example, the circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, endocrine system, reproductive, digestive system, lymphatic system, urinary system, immune system, and so on. There are many different systems. Now, if these are systems, that means there is a certain flow, there is a certain movement required in these systems, because that's how systems work. There has to be movement, there has to be exchange of information, of whatever is needed to be exchanged and so on. To do all this, the body needs to be able to pump. Just as the heart pumps the blood, duk, 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 it pumps. It pumps, it causes the blood to move. It causes the blood to move through all the vessels and then take whatever the blood is carrying, bring back whatever needs to be taken out, and so on. So this is what the heart is doing. But that's okay, that's great for the circulatory system, and maybe there is a spill-off effect in or over some other systems. But other than that, how else do you activate the pumps? How else do you get the flow happening in the body? So we have been given a beautiful thing called the diaphragm. Diaphragm is just below the lungs. It's a very powerful muscle. It's probably the most powerful muscle in the body. And it's just that most people have stopped using the diaphragm. The diaphragm is used best when we allow what is called belly breathing. Belly breathing is what a newborn baby does. When a child is born, Mother Nature, the supreme mother, teaches the baby to belly breathe. It's not as if its mother on earth says, hey baby, breathe like this, or you will face consequences or something. Nothing. It's Mother Nature, the supreme mother, that teaches the baby to breathe that way. And the baby does that, and it functions very well. So the baby grows up beautifully and becomes strong and big and healthy and so on. And then it's able to perform in life. However, because of lifestyle issues or other things that happen during life, especially in cities more so, we forget how to belly breathe. So as we forget how to belly breathe, this pump, the pumping system of the body, begins to deteriorate or fall into disuse or over some time even into disrepair. Some people cannot even do it then. So therefore, learning how to belly breathe is very important. I've shared various videos on belly breathing in my channel, so you can take a look at that. This video is not about showing you about how to belly breathe, but to make you understand the importance. Other reasons about the parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system, and those points have been covered variously in other videos. But this one is to understand that this body is comprised of water, liquids, and the liquids need to flow. And to make this flow happen well, it's important that we use the diaphragm, we use the belly button, we use the belly, we use the belly to belly breathe. The more we are able to belly breathe, the better all the systems in the body will function. And as all the systems begin to function well, I can guarantee you that they will impact all the different organs in the body. So the body will move towards greater health and wellness. So understand liquid body and the importance of belly breathing. It will help you even with conditions like ED, erectile dysfunction. And in fact, I use it in that program as well to help people overcome ED related issues. And it's also part of the Swatantra Kriya program, which is again a very powerful program with different ends or goals, but that's another matter to be discussed another time. Thank you. Have a beautiful day and belly breathe.